Welcome to our video on the top 5 things to avoid on a date. Dating can be tricky, and there are certain behaviors that can ruin your chances of having a successful date. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to make a great impression and avoid common mistakes. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1, don't be late. One of the most important things you can do on a date is to show up on time. Arriving late can give the impression that you don't value your date's time or that you're not taking the date seriously. If something unexpected comes up, be sure to communicate with your date and let them know what's going on. Honesty and communication are key in any relationship. Number 2, don't talk about your ex. While it's important to be honest and open with your date, talking about your ex can be a major turn-off. It can make your date feel uncomfortable, and it can also give the impression that you're not over your previous relationship. If your date asks about your past relationships, be honest but keep your answer brief. Remember, this date is about getting to know each other, not reliving the past. Number 3, don't use your phone. When you're on a date, it's important to be present and engaged. Using your phone can send the message that you're not interested in your date or that you're not taking the date seriously. Put your phone away and give your date your full attention. This will show that you're interested in getting to know them and that you value their time. Number 4, don't talk about controversial topics. While it's important to have meaningful conversations on a date, it's best to avoid controversial topics like politics and religion. These topics can be divisive and can lead to arguments or hurt feelings. Stick to lighter topics like hobbies, interests, and favorite movies. This will help you get to know each other without causing unnecessary tension. Number 5, don't drink too much. While it's okay to have a drink or two on a date, it's important to know your limits. Drinking too much can lead to embarrassing behavior or even blackout moments. It can also impair your judgment and make it difficult to make good decisions. If you do decide to drink, do so responsibly and know when to stop. And that's it for our video on the top 5 things to avoid on a date. Remember, dating is all about having fun and getting to know each other. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to a successful date. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.